To motivate change in the environment, we need to involve the pressure for change. We're facing unprecedented internal and external environmental change. Motivating change involves moving from the unknown or moving from the known to unknown. And we are facing change because of internal and external environment. With the emergence of technology, the foreign competition, the globalization, and the tariff-free agreement, these are the factors that we have to consider for change. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to ProPrayDev YouTube channel. Thank you.